Well, hello there. What I'm going to be discussing is another smell good fragrance. As you can see, what I got in front of me is the Frosted Snow Blossom with Shea and vitamin E, the body lotion, and the shower gel from Bath and Body Works. Lord have mercy. Okay, let's get right to it. So, I actually received this as a gift. Thank you, girl, for this wintry, smell good products. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared at first because it's scented and it's not really dedicated for people with sensitive skin. So I was wondering if, would I break out? Would this give me rashes? Would this just make my skin inflamed? Like, allergic reaction, dry out my skin, make my skin itch. Just everything what some type of fragrances products can do to people that has really sensitive skin. I don't use this all the time. I use a sensitive soap. Just use this sometimes if I want to smell extra nice. But anyway, as you can see, this is definitely for the winter time. As you can see, snow. That's a big keyword on why they brought this product out around wintertime, as you can see on the back, it's definitely dedicated for the winter. Boom, winter, boom. Tease the season. There we go. I heard this was really good. Sandalwood. The spiritual uses as well. I heard that was really good. I have not really paid attention to if my skin tend to get dry, since it's not like a cream or lotion dedicated for people with dry skin. But if my skin was looking bad, then I'll definitely know for sure. It isn't watery down at all. It moisturizes my skin really good. It smells really good too. I'll go ahead and pop this up so I can find what it smells like. Look at this shower gel. It's a light scent. It's really light. It's perfect for the winter. I mean, you can wear this in the summertime too. I mean, just because it's something that's specific for a particular season, it don't necessarily mean you just gotta use it for that season. I use it all seasons. It can be something dedicated for the winter. I'll wear it in the summer. Something dedicated in the summer, I'll wear it in the winter. Fall to spring, spring to fall, it does not matter. If it smells good, it smells good. But I guess you just kind of get that extra winter vibe going on. That is just what describes the season, which I understand. But it smells good, it smells good. I'm going to use it still. But anyway, I'm going to apply some lotion on after I talk about the shower gel. I'm going to go to the back so you can see that it's the same thing from the lotion, except it's just gel. And you can apply this like on a exfoliating gloves, or that what's it called, loaf? Is that what it's called? Loaf? Is that called a loaf? Those things where people scrub their body off of loaf. I use that actually exfoliating gloves. Loaf. I heard that you can exfoliate with your skin with that too. But I mean, let me just say, whatever that you use to wash your body with, you can apply this on this shower gel, and it smells exactly the same. Make sure smell stuff differently. Oh yeah, it smells the same. This smells good. And then we put both these together, man. I know they have a fragrance mist, like a perfume along with this too, but like I said before, I received it as a gift, so I didn't get the complete whole set. This smells amazing. This smells really good. Like, after I just smelled this, I realized why I smelled so good that day. Let me go ahead and apply the lotion, what it looks like on my skin. My skin there we go. Feels dry, like I said before. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lotion on so you can see what it looks like. Is it watery? So forth. So let me go ahead and put it on my skin right quick. Okay, so I applied it on my skin and I didn't rub it in all the way. I just wanted you to see like how the product is and what it looked like when I smeared it, you know, across my hand. It don't really, how can I put it? Like some lotions are kind of cakey or clumpy or really watery down. This one actually is not. Try to hurry up and smooth that in so you can see. So it gives like my skin a nice glowy shine to it. And it smells good when you apply it on too. But yeah, see the product. It's not too thick and it's not watery down. And you can smell it as soon as you pour it out of the bottle. And this is what it looks like after when I applied all this lotion on my hand. So you can see what it looks like.